The new Do-It-Yourself Pedal Steel Guitar Downloadable Manual, written by Jimmy Hudson, and it is a do-it-yourself manual. Tells you how to build your own pedal steel guitar, 6-string pedal steel. You can go to jimmyhudson.com to download the plans. This is a picture of the body that's being glued together, the cabinet, and you can see it has angled sides. That's so the angle on the legs would be correct whenever you put it together. This is a picture of the undercarriage. It's aluminum and steel, and it's a very efficient undercarriage. Works very well. And you can see I've got a black felt on the screw stops for the pedals pulls here, and that keeps it quiet when you're playing. The guitar plays very smooth. I'm pointing at the number 1 hole here on the changer finger. They're numbered 1 through 4. That's the first hole, and the 4th hole is closer to the body. Pointing at the number 1 hole on the bell crank, the number 6 hole would be the furthest one up from the body. You can see the springs. That pulls the E lowers back up. You also see the tuning nuts here. This is an upside down picture, but they're in the correct order the way they're supposed to be in the guitar here. You see a full shot of the bottom of the guitar to see a little bit about what it looks like. You can see a top shot here, shows the key head, the fretboard, and the changer and the pickup. It's all lined up. You need everything square and pretty there. And I got the screw showed here that holds the legs on. The long screw holds it on, has a nut on it, and it's a 1-inch square aluminum leg. This is how I cut my legs with a little miniature bandsaw here. It's a very handy thing to have while you're building a steel guitar, is one of these little mini bandsaws. Go to jimmyhudson.com and order your download of the How to Build Your Own Steel Guitar today. Hope you enjoy building your steel guitar and have a wonderful day. Thank you for your business.